Good morning, everyone. Before Ganpati vacation, we have studied the module first, unit first, in the number commercial types of financial services. Basically, some types of financial services, India and also abroad. We have studied briefly in this lecture. From today, we have studied the module number two, commercial commercial banks. Okay. In this commercial bank, some synopsis here. We have studied the introduction of commercial banks, concept and definition of commercial banks, function of banks, importance of commercial bank, investment policy of commercial bank, liquidity of bank, asset structure of commercial bank. It means balance sheet. Non-performing asset, NPA of bank means bank में वो asset होते but not for a banking sector. ऐसे बहुत से assets बनते हैं. Some assets like this. असे खूप asset बनतात जे बँकेचे नसतात पण ते बनले जातात. त्यांच्याबद्दल ते डिस्कस करणार आहोत. Capital activity and self study. The first आपण काय बघणार आहोत? Introduction of commercial bank. The concept काय आहे commercial bank? कसं डिफाइन केलं गेलंय अंडर बँकिंग सेक्टर. RBI ऍक्ट अंडर त्याला कसं डिफाइन केलेलं आहे as per banking act rules. Then function of commercial bank, importance of commercial bank, investment policy of commercial bank, liquidity of bank, and some points are also clear in 12th also. तुमच्या 12वी मध्ये इकॉनॉमिक्स मध्ये हे झालेलं आहे banking sector of India. त्यामध्ये some point are clear. Let's start. The first is introduction. What is introduction? What is bank? The term bank is the link with the Bannic and Greek word which is synopsis with the bench. In ancient times, this will Lombardy used such as the benches locality known as Banco carry out business of exchange currency. Greek word Banco, B-A-N-C-O, Banco, to carry out business of exchange carry in German language is bank. So in German, it's called bank means a joint stock company. The earlier bank means any entire dealing in money. Earlier bank entire dealing in money, money trading would be not honor his obligations was described as a bankrupt because the people who could not honor its obligation is described as a bankrupt because people tends where the projected work and trusted as a trade for deposits. It means the word bank is कुठून आलेला आहे the word bank. It's derived from the Greek word banko. Greek word banko is a locally known as banko. It means as a business त्याच्यामध्ये currency exchange होते. Exchange of currency. And exchange of currency means it's a deposit and withdraw of your money. Okay. Then is German. In German, it's called bank. From banko, Germanic word, it's become the bank. The spelling are same. O-R deducted here. It means a joint stock company. Joint stock company, it means company 1956 मध्ये जे companies असतात like this. Joint stock company. And this company काय करायचं? Earning the means entire dealing in money. कशावर study करायचे? Dealing in money. It means financial dealing. It means a deposits, withdraw, loan, and etc. Okay. A money traders who could not honor his obligations. But त्याच्यामध्ये ownership, honorness, truthness, trustness नव्हतं. The trader are not accepted that like this. The origins of modern bank can be traced to temples where priesthood work as a trustee and trader of deposit. There, the bank असायचा is a trustee असायचा for your deposit. It means you accepted your deposit for some period and some obligations होते ते clear करायचे and the obligations वरती काम करायचे. Okay, according to the Adam Smith, bank started in Italy as a finance company to assist to government. First time the bank start झाली, according to the Adam Smith, the bank started in Italy. कुठे start झाली? In Italy. Italy is a finance company, but look like a finance company which is work for the earlier periodic modern bank. This was followed by the establishment of Bank of Barculaneum and Bank of Modern Bank. Geneva. In 17th century, Bank of Amsterdam was started in 1664. Bank of England was started, which is may rightly considered as Bank of Berlin. Then Bank of remaining bank commercial was the present in constitution. Mainly the money and today's the bank of number of bank is here. This bank are work under RBI. So what's the main concept of bank? This historical review होतं ह्याच्यावर आपण डिस्कस केले. त्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला हे समजलंय की बँक इज फ्रॉम द ग्रीक वर्ड बँको अँड जर्मनिक वर्ड बँक. स्पेलिंग आहे BNC. BNK नाही, BNC फ्रॉम बँक झालेलं आहे. देन the concept and definition काय आहे? The commercial bank have been defined in various ways. त्याला different way आहे. The number one, according to the Grother, a bank is an institution which is collected money from those who have in saver or how to saving. अशा व्यक्ती जे सेव्ह करण्याची इच्छा ठेवतात त्यांच्याकडून ती कलेक्ट करते and lends this money out of those who require. And lends करते म्हणजे लोन देते, ऍज अ लोन कोणाला तरी देते, लेंड्स करते, पोचवते त्यांच्याकडे ज्यांना त्याची गरज आहे. फर्स्ट डेफिनेशन काय बोलते? अकॉर्डिंग टू द ग्रॉदर, अ बँक इज इन्स्टिट्यूशन, एक इन्स्टिट्यूशन आहे विच इज कलेक्टिंग मनी फ्रॉम दोज, अशा लोकांकडून कलेक्ट करते ज्यांना सेव्हिंगची इच्छा आहे, और आउट ऑफ देअर इन्कम म्हणजे त्यांच्या इन्कम मध्ये, अँड लेंडिंग द मनी आउट ऑफ दोज हाऊ टू रिक्वायर, ज्यांना जे सेव्ह करायचे त्यांना ती पुन्हा देते. वॉल्टर लेट डिफाईन बँक एज अ पर्सन, एक व्यक्ती आहे, और कॉर्पोरेशन, एक कॉन्जुगेट सोसायटी आहे, कॉर्पोरेट सोसायटी आहे, द हेल्पर सोसायटी, विच होल्ड इट्स आउट रिसीव फ्रॉम द पब्लिक डिपॉझिट पेएबल ऑन डिमांड और चेक. जी काय करते? होल्ड करते, सेव्ह करते तुमचं मनी ऍज पर युअर कमर्शियल डील, आणि त्या डील मध्ये काय असते? ऍज पर द टाइम ऑफ युअर डिमांड, जिथपर्यंत तुम्ही आमच्याकडून पैसे मागणार नाही ते आमच्याकडे सिक्युअर आहे, ऍज अ सिक्युअर मनी. आणि ती डिमांड कशावर असणार आहे? विड्रॉ रिसिप्ट और ऍज पर चेक. ऍज पर द ऑक्सफर्ड डिक्शनरीच्या हिशोबाने काय डिफाईन केलेलं आहे? बँक ऍज अन स्टॅब्लिश फॉर द कस्टडी फॉर मनी विच इज पे आउट अन कस्टमर अँड अदर. देन अदर कन्सेप्ट इथे सेल केलेले आहे, एक्सप्लेन केलेले आहेत. आउट ऑफ 5 3 इज मस्ट. ओके, मिनिमम 1 दिलं तरी खूप आहे डिफिनेशनच्या वेळी. देन फंक्शन, आता बिफोर दॅट युअर 12th standard you study the function of commercial bank. There are two types of function. The first is primary function and second is secondary function. In primary function, accepting deposit and lending loan is the primary function. Then time of deposit, कुठले types of deposit आपण शिकलेले 12th मध्ये, DD demand draft, then bank saving deposit, demand deposit and commercial deposit. So आपण आज today we have studied briefly commercial bank engaged in the following activity: processing payment via telegram, transfer, NIFT, interest banking, internet banking, or the issuing bank draft by bank. Okay. Then other is accepting money on terms of deposit. Accepting money in terms of deposit. Deposit च्या वेळी accept करते. Recurring deposit is called RD. Fixed deposit is an FD. Then saving deposit SD. Current deposit CD and all. Lending money by overdraft, installment loan or other. Then overdraft देते as a loan in short period. Installment loan, short-term loan, long-term loan, middle-term loan, and other type of way ने तुम्हाला ती check and withdraw करून देते. Then providing documentary of credit. तुम्हाला ती credit document देते या credit rate. जे तुम्ही आजकाल advertise बघता, calculate your credit rate and getting loan. तो ते कोण calculate करतं? By any bank. Guarantees भेटते, guarantees of your savings, guarantees of your collection loan, security under loan, performance of bonds issue करते and security and all, under security writing, commercial papers and etc. will work under the cash management करते as a treasury. Treasury means treasury bill of exchange. याच्यामध्ये the middle person is bank. If the money are not collected by any person on behalf of the exchange of money, time of exchange of money, the bank are including here. Bill sent of collection to the bank and bank sent you the money. याच्यामध्ये कसं होतं? जर का तुम्हाला भेटणारा पैसा वेळेवर भेटत नाहीये तर बँक काय करते? त्या वेळेवर तुमच्या साथ देणार आहे आणि ते साथ कसं देते? कलेक्शन ऑफ मनी करून, म्हणजे थर्ड पार्टी करून ते कलेक्ट करते आणि विथ सम ऑफ इंटरेस्ट तुम्हाला पैसे ते देऊन टाकते. Then merchant bank help to the providing number of loans for the increasing your merchandiles, means तुमची कंपनीज ग्रोथ करण्यासाठी your funds provide करते by different way. Then in the way of this chart, we have studied the briefly function of bank. As you know that the two function of banks, primary function of secondary function. These two functions of commercial bank. The first is primary function. In this primary function, we study the accepting of deposit. Then the number of deposit is there. Number one, saving deposit. Saving deposit is your saving account. Under this, your deposit as per your तुम्हाला जिथपर्यंत ठेवायचे तिथपर्यंत तुम्ही त्याच्यामध्ये पैसे ठेवता. As per your demand, you can withdraw. जिथपर्यंत तुम्ही डिमांड करत नाही त्यापर्यंत सेव्ह असतात. Then fixed deposit. Under this, it is a time deposit pattern. It's called time deposit pattern. Under this fixed deposit, we are deposited your money for some period. And this period are decided by bank. तुम्हाला तेवढा वेळ ठेवायला लागते. Then the double amount or some rate of interest plus you are getting. Then current deposit. It is also like saving deposit or demand deposit and recurring deposit. Then guarantee advance का है? Overdraft. Your guarantee percentage overdraft short period loan दिला जातो. Maximize this is paid for current deposit. Then cash credit. Some credit दिला जातो like credit card, way of credit card, credit loan, discount of bill in bill of exchange, and fixed deposit guarantee and the guarantee. Then secondary works. Agency function, transfer of fund from this bank to other bank, from this state to other state, this area to other area. Your fund are transferred easily by way of bank. Periodic payment. Periodic payment means your electricity bill, then your electricity bill and other exchange charges. Time period में जो expenditure होना है, like your person salary and etc. Time to time period में जो decide असते. If you take an order by a bank, you are taking the order to bank and time period also including there on this date. If तुमच्या account मध्ये पैसे असले तर directly पैसे तुमचे withdraw होणार आहे. आणि ज्याच्या account मध्ये credit करायचे directly credit होणार. Collection of check. Collection of check is a check room ज्याला म्हणतात. त्याच्यामध्ये check room system असते. त्याच्यामध्ये all check collect केले जातात. Like I'm deposit Bank of India check in saving State Bank of India. मग स्टेट बँक वाला काय करणार तो बँक ऑफ इंडियाकडे कलेक्टेड साठी पाठवणार त्याच्यातून मग ते विड्रॉ होणार मग स्टेट बँक मध्ये जमा होणार हा क्रॉस वर्ड आहे इट्स कॉल्ड कलेक्शन ऑफ चेक. देन पोर्टफोलियो मॅनेजमेंट इट मीन्स युअर इन्व्हेस्टमेंट LIC पॉलिसीज देन शेअर डिबेंचर एक्सेट्रा जे काय आहे अदर वर्क इज ऑल्सो डिमांड ड्राफ्ट अँड एक्सेट्रा ऑल्सो डन बाय एजन्सीज. ऍज अ एजन्सी वर्क करते. इट्स नॉट अ वर्क ऑफ बँक बट बँक ऑल्सो डन इट. ओके. देन पिरियडिक कलेक्शन also जसं periodic payment करते तसे collection ही करते on this time जेव्हा त्यांना collect करायचं असं from any person like in a merchant bank collected from the any individual. जसं तुम्ही कुठली लोन घेतलंय तर लोनचं इन्स्टॉलमेंटची डेट डिसाइड आहे त्यांना ऑन दिस इन्स्टॉलमेंट तुमच्या अकाउंटची डायरेक्टली डिडक्ट करून ज्यांना करेक्ट करायचं त्याच्याकडे ती क्रेडिट करते. अदर एजन्सी फंक्शन ड्राफ्ट आहेत लॉकर्स आहेत विड्रॉवर्स आहेत अदर फंक्शन आर प्रोव्हाइडेड बाय बँक. ब्रीफली एक्सप्लेन इन शॉर्टली. Then they decided A primary function and B secondary function. We are explaining the primary function. The primary function of the commercial bank included the following. Number one, accepted of deposit. Under one, time deposit. These are the deposit repayable after the created fixed period. Since time are decided, these deposits are not withdrawable by check. तुम्ही याला पुन्हा काढू शकत नाही. Means withdraw deposit not done here. This time deposit, time fixed at time timing last to withdraw on a maturity period is done there, then cash are closed down. Drop, it means including the following. The first one is fixed deposit. This deposit can be withdrawn only after expire of certain period, say 3 years, 5 years, and 10 years, etc. The bank allowed a higher rate of interest on this deposit upon the amount and period of time. Previously, the rate of interest payable on fixed deposit were determined by Reserve Bank. आधी कोणते डिसाइड करायचे रिझर्व्ह बँक. प्रेझेंटली बँक इज परमिटेड टू ऑफर द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ डिक्लेमेंट. आता ते काय करतो इन द प्रेझेंट पिरियड बँक ऑल्सो डिसाइडेड की ते किती इंटरेस्ट देणार आहे. बिफोर दॅट इन बिफोर 1991 और सम बिफोर पिरियड हे कोण डिसाइड करायचं की फिक्स्ड डिपॉझिट वर इंटरेस्ट किती असणार आहे. जस्ट रिझर्व्ह बँक ऑफ इंडिया द नॅशनलाइज्ड बँक आर डिसाइडेड. ओके. Permitted to the offer interest determined by each other bank. However, banks are not permitted to offer different interest rate at a different customer. Allow आहे की ते different interest allow करू शकतात, but each one individual नाही. Yearly एक interest decide होणार and this interest all over year, all over customer साठी fix असणार आहे. तुम्ही असं नाही तुम्ही गेलो की 12%, तुम्ही गेलात की 15%, but different person, different interest is not allowed. Okay. And these days, the bank accept deposit every for 15 days or more, 1 month, etc. It means minimum fixed deposit 15 days or maximum minimum 15 days or 1 month to the as per the fixed deposit system. And then longer rate at long against the fixed deposit. As then second one is recurring deposit. It's called in your word RD. Okay. In recurring deposit, the customer open account and deposit the greater sum amount money every month. Under this system, money are deposited, fixed amount of money are deposited in your saving account. In this account is known as RD, recurring deposit account, and this account amount are fixed per monthly amount deposit there. After the certain period, is sub period झाल्यानंतर 1 year, 3 year or 5 year, the accumulated amount along with interest is paid to the customer. म्हणजे फिक्स झालेली अमाउंट तुम्हाला पुन्हा दिली जाते with some amount. It is very helpful to slightly and poor section for the people. कोणाला हेल्पफुल आहे जे लोएस्ट कॉस्ट पर्सन आहेत, कम सॅलरी वाले आहेत, एफडी करण्याची पॉसिबिलिटी कमी आहे, पण एफडी साठी त्यांना सेव्हिंग करायचं आहे. And this deposit system helpful for them. The interest paid on such deposit is generally on the accumulating basis. The deposit system used for mechanism for regular saver of money. Same here, the deposit is decided by Reserve Bank, and then deposit rate are decided by Reserve Bank. And sometimes you are decided for yearly minimum. एक दोन दिवसासाठी नाही, per person साठी तुम्ही चेंज करू शकत नाही. Then the C is cash certificate. Cash certificate is like a certificate period. जसं debenture certificate असतो like this. Cash certificate are issued by the public or long period time. It is attract the people because the maturity value of multiples of some investor it attract to the higher yielding investment. Others can keep the fund on long time. तुम्हाला long time साठी the bank मध्ये like FD ठेवायला लागणार आहे. This certificate for 1 lakh payable after the 10 years can be purchased now for 20,000. It means 20,000 deposit for 1 year as per the cash certificate. तुमच्याकडे एक certificate भेटणार आहे. And this certificate लिहिलेला असेल after 10 years you getting 1 lakh for this your deposit. Just एवढं certificate भेटणार आहे like debenture certificate. Debenture certificate मध्ये असतो नाही. I'm paying the some amount after the some year for this person with this interest. Okay. Then the second part is demand deposit. Second part is demand deposit. These are the deposit which may be the withdraw by the depositor at any time. Okay. Anytime for previous notice. It is withdraw pay by check and including the following. Kai different time. The different is under time deposit. These are the deposit repayable after the certain fixed period. Certain fixed period. And here the says. Here he says these are the deposit which may be withdraw by the depositor at any time. इथे काय होणार आहे? On time deposit, deposit repayable and certain fixed period. And here withdraw anytime. Okay. Types of this demand deposit. The first is saving deposit. Saving deposit is a promotes thrift among people. This saving deposit can only be held by the individuals and non-profit institution. म्हणजे जे प्रॉफिट नाही करत किंवा इंडिव्हिज्युअल पर्सन आहे जे स्वतःसाठी सेव्हिंग करणार आहे त्यांच्यासाठी दे आर द रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट पेड इन ऑन सेव्हिंग डिपॉझिट इज लोअर दॅन द टाइम डिपॉझिट. म्हणजे ह्याच्यावर भेटणारा जो इंटरेस्ट आहे ऍज कम्पेअर टू cash certificate as compared to RD as compared to FD are lower. It means 4%, 3%, 5%, maximum 6%. Okay. The saving account holder gets the advice to liquidity and small income that following your interest. But there are the some rate of withdrawal, restriction on withdrawal. Corporate bodies in business firms are not allowed to open saving bank account. Means businessman is not a big business person, business body, firm are not okay. So they can open करणार आहे त्यांच्यासाठी काय आहे? What about that? Then the current account deposits. This account maintained by the people who meet the having liquidity balance current account offers the higher liquidity. It means maximum possibility budget for current period. No interest is paid on current deposit other than no restriction on withdraw from the current account. These accounts is generally the case of business firm, institution and cooperative bodies are open. Okay. Then B part, the head B is Advance of loans. The commercial bank providing loan to advance in various forms. They are giving the below. Number one, overdraft. What is overdraft? Bank overdraft. Okay. This facility given to holder the current account only. It means current account मध्ये एक facility असते. You deposited 500 and withdraw 600. Allow there. 100 rupees is your overdraft. Overdraft कसं बनतो? If you are a current account holder, you are a business firm, and तुम्ही check sign केलाय 10 lakh and your account just 5 lakh rupees, then 5 lakh for 6 months is overdraft. जर तुम्ही 6 महिन्यामध्ये भरलेत नाही, तो overdraft converted into short period loan. This is the arrangement with the bank. Thereby, the customer is allowed to draw money over than above the balance. Draw money over that means deposit 5 lakh and withdraw 6 lakh. Okay. In his her account, the facility of over withdraw, his account generally pre-arranged with the bank. And the certain limit means limit are decided. For example, overdraft limit are decided for any businessman, any business person. Okay. Then cash credit. The second part is cash credit. Cash credit is the form of working capital credit given to the business firm. Under this arrangement, the customer open an account and the sanctionized amount is credit with the account of the customer. Can operate the account within the sanctionized limit as and when required. It is made against the security of goods, personal security. कधी मिळणार आहे? Some security ठेवायला लागणार आहे. It means mortgage, some small mortgage and all. Okay. On the basis of operation, the period of credit facility may be extended further an advantage under the method. Okay. Discount of bill. This is study also study in 12. Discount of bill may be the another form of bank credit. The bank may purchase inland and foreign bill from before these the due or payment. It means bank set of collection आपण कधी करतो? For example, 3 months तुम्हाला बिलचा पैसा भेटणार आहे from your debtors, but you want after the 2 months. But the debtors म्हणाले की मी आता देऊ शकत नाही, माझी बिल 3 months ची आहे. मग तुम्ही काय करणार? You move to the bank आणि बँक मध्ये तो बिल दाखवणार की 3 months नंतर तुम्हाला पैसे भेटणार आहेत आणि for 3 months तुम्ही 1 महिना आधीच some deduction ने ते पैसे घेता. The banker discounted generally interest on the following amount for the unexpired period of bill. This bank reserve the right of debiting the account of customers in case of bill of ultimately not paid. The bill passes the banker after the endorsement. Discount of bill, bank provide immediately finance to sale of goods. This helps the carry to their business. Bank can discount only general commercial bill, those drawn against the goods of credit. कुठलं बिल असतो तो? Just bill of exchange मध्ये तो रिटर्न होतो तो. The next one, loans and advances. Loans and advances. It is including the both demand and term loan, direct loan and advances give all types of customers, mainly the businessman, investor against the personal security or goods of the movable, immovable in nature. The interest is charged for the full amount, whether the withdraw by the amount money from his account or no. Short-term loans are guaranteed to meet the working capital requirement, and long-term loans guaranteed to meet the capital expenditure. Working capital requirement means production, debtors, etc. The current period it's called short-term loan, and long-term loan for purchasing fixed asset, motor vehicle, and the long period more than 1 year. Previously, interest on loans was regulated by RBI. आधी कोण करायचं? Interest किती घ्यायचं on loan? It is decided by RBI. Today, currently, bank can be decided. Determine the period of bank and rate of interest. Fixed minimum rate known as the public limited PLR lending rate. The classification of loan and advances. Advance which giving to personal security. It's a personal loan. Advance which converted a tangible collection by security. It's called mortgage loan. Advance which are given against the personal security, the debtors but not which is the banker also holder the additional. Then housing finance, it means home loan. The next one is educational loan scheme. याच्यामध्ये काय असतं, फॉर पर्पज ऑफ एज्युकेशन तुम्हाला लोन दिलं जातं. ओके. Housing loan. Nowadays, the commercial banks are competed among themselves, providing the housing finance facility to their customers. It mainly increasing the housing facility in this country. The State Bank of India, Indian banks, Central Bank, Punjab National Bank funds housing subsidies, providing the housing finance. Okay. Educational loans. What is educational loans? Here, the Reserve Bank of India from August 1999 introduced a new educational loan scheme and for students. Full-time guarantee post-graduation professional course is provided by professional challenges. Colleges. Under this scheme, all public sector banks have been directly provide the educational loan up to rupees 15,000 for fee seats and 50,000 for payment seats student. त्याच्यामध्ये काय केलं जातं, आफ्टर द ऑगस्ट 1999 डायरेक्टली तुमचं ऍडमिशन झालं की ती ऍडमिशन रिसिप्ट या शो टू द बैंक डायरेक्टली गिव यू लोन अँड देन दिस लोन डिपॉझिटेड. कधी तुम्ही डिपॉझिट करणार आहे, इफ यू आर जेव्हा तुम्ही कामावर लागणार आहात, सॅलरी पर्सन बिकम टू सॅलरी पर्सन. ओके. Then some respected following subjects are that accepted for the study, and त्या स्टडी मध्ये ते लोन लवकर पास होतं. फॉर एक्झाम्पल मेडिकल अँड डेंटल कोर्स, हायर फीस आहे. इंजिनिअरिंग कोर्स, केमिकल टेक्नॉलॉजीज, management course like MBA, law students, and computer science application. This apart from the bank have educational loan scheme against security. Check up their detail and bank. Loan against security. What is loan against security? Commercial bank providing the loan against security, share debentures, reporting company loans under the up to 50,000 of value. Means market value चे जेवढे शेअर डिपॉझिट तुमच्याकडे असतील त्या 50% as a loan ते डिपॉझिट तुमच्याकडून घेऊ शकते. It means you have to 20 lakh rupees security of FD. Around this FD तुम्हाला 10 लाखाचं लोन ही भेटू शकते. Okay. Then loan against saving certificate. Saving certificate like saving. The bank are also providing the loans and certain value of saving certificate like National Saving Certificate, Fixed Deposit Receipt, India Vikas Patra, etc. Loan may be obtained the personal of business purpose. Then consumer loan and advance. In this point, one of the important area of bank finance in recent year was the purchase consumer during the life TV sets, washing machine, microfinance, electronic customer. जे आपण वस्तू विकत घेतो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक फॉर्म मध्ये ना, बँक also provide the LIBOR cap. Then other commercial bank provide the other types of advance such as venture capital, advanced jewelry loan, jeweler loan, etc. Since October 18, 1994, banks were free to determine their owner prime lending rates (PLR), the credit limits over 2 lakh. Data related to providing related to public sector bank. This stabilization minimum maturity period of term deposit was reduced from 30 days to 15 days. Effective April 2099, the data related to public sector bank means public sector bank मध्ये allow आहे different other types of loan as per the purpose of income ते देऊ शकतात. Then credit creation. Credit creation is one of the primary function of commercial bank. When a bank sanctions a loan to the customer, it does not give cash to him, but a deposit account open in his name, and amount is credited to his account. He can withdraw the money where his name. Thus, whenever the bank sanctions a loan and create a deposit, in this way, the bank increase the money supply and economy. Such function is known as the credit creation. It means the last point of your primary function. ह्याच्यामध्ये काय आहे की जेव्हा लोन पास होतं तेव्हा बँक तुमच्या हातामध्ये पैसा देणार नाही. इन सेकंडली ते काय करणार आहे, त्यासाठी त्यांच्याच अकाउंटमध्ये त्यांच्याच बँकमध्ये ते लोक सेव्हिंग अकाउंट बनवणार आणि त्या सेव्हिंग अकाउंटमध्ये ते लोक डिपॉझिट करणार. इट मीन्स तो पैसा थोडके वेळ त्यांच्याकडेच राहणार आहे. मे बी दिस मनी यूज फॉर द अदर ट्रेड. रिटर्न मध्ये तुमच्याकडे लोन आहे सेव्हिंग आहे पण तुम्हाला गरज लागणार तेव्हा विड्रॉ करणार मे बी यू आर नॉट विड्रॉ तर तिथूनच त्याला इन्स्टॉलमेंट विड्रॉ करणार आहे आणि ते लोन डिडक्ट करणार आहे इट मीन्स ड्युअल वर्क इज दॅट रिमेनिंग सेकंडरी फंक्शन we are started from next lecture. Thank you.